Have you been searching for the perfect truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X in Onyx Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 13.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 30078A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.